you might be here because you panicked and cut yourself some bangs, some fringe, a little curtain bang, and you have zero clue how to style them. Let's style them together so that way you are not panicking in the morning and you have a little bit more of an idea how to make these look fabulous with your hair. Let's get into it. First, what you want to do is get the part where you want to wear your bangs or your fringe. And then you want to make sure they're wet. If they have dried at all, they're not going to lay correctly. You're not going to like the way that it looks. So I have my part pretty close to where I like it. Then you're going to need a round brush and your blow dryer. So if you want to wear these a little bit more like curtain bangs, you're going to have to over direct. What does that mean exactly? All this hair, I want it to go to the right side. When you're drying them, you want to dry them more to the left side of your head, so that way when they feather back or blend into the rest of your hair, it looks super nice and it's more of a feathered curtain bang look. So let's clip this side out of the way and let's get started on this right side. This is roughly about 2 inches when it comes to the diameter of my round brush. Depending on your length, your hair thickness, kind of the look you want of your hair will determine the size of your round brush. If you need any help whatsoever deciding, please do not hesitate to leave me a comment down below or reach out on any of these social medias and I will help you out. Okay, you guys ready? You do not want your blow dryer on a super high speed. You want low heat, maybe medium heat, and low speed. If it dries too fast, you're not gonna set that style that you want to look. You want it to be the same width as the brush that you're gonna be using on your hair. Okay, you guys ready? Again, over direct. Grab your section, and we are gonna over direct and get those roots dry. Once the roots are dry, this is when you are going to start getting that hair wrapped around your brush. You're still going to over direct. You're gonna pull it all the way over this way, but then you're gonna get those ends onto the end of your round brush and you're gonna start drying them. So as you can see, now it is going more over the top kind of my face versus being completely slicked back. And then I'm just gonna blend the rest of kind of the side or the face framing into the rest of my bangs. So as you can see, it is more blended and has kind of that feathered, blended look. So now this is where I would be able to curl my hair or do any different kind of style that I want to do on it. But we can't forget about this side, so let's do that exactly the same way, but over directing over the across my face and getting that cowlick in control. Okay, now that the roots are dry, let's get my part back the way it's supposed to be. And now we're gonna start blending it into the rest of my hair. Okay, and then we're gonna do exactly the same thing that we did on this side over here, blending all that face framing. So just like that, and then I would take my curling iron and curl the rest of my hair how I normally do, but that is exactly how you style that new fringe, curtain bangs, or really kind of any bangs or face framing. So then you get rid of those cowlicks and it blends into the rest of your hair super, super easily. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And if you end up liking this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And you know, you should probably subscribe too. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.